I took on this project at the beginning of the COVID epidemic. After retiring, I didn't have much to do, and our neighbor was worried about the wall in the back collapsing. So rather than just demo the building, I demoed the roof and strengthened the walls in order to preserve the original footprint and architecture of the building. Once we poured the foundation, we were able to frame the walls with the help of one of my longtime coworkers, who's a fantastic, amazing carpenter. We now have built it so that it will be a two-car, well, one-car garage, and maybe just a place to reflect and take care of business. And that's Roscoe, who just had to put his footprints on the concrete, which will forever hold dear.